In this video, you'll learn about the Quill Paint tool and all the different settings and brushes. To access the Paint tool, go to the Tools menu and the Paint tool. By pressing the right trigger, you can now draw in 3D space. You can adjust the size of your brush by pushing up or down on the right analog stick. This can be adjusted while drawing a stroke. You can adjust the opacity of your strokes with this bar here. Quill has 7 different brushes that you can choose from. The capped cylindrical brush, the capped ellipse brush, the rounded ribbon brush, the cylinder brush, the ellipse brush, the ribbon brush, and the cube brush. Brushstrokes in Quill have pressure sensitivity similar to the ones in software like Photoshop. You can access this by going to the Options menu and switching from Nothing to Press. Now, when you press lightly, your strokes will become transparent and light, where if you press hard, they become thicker and more opaque. The left one controls opacity, the right one controls width. By toggling these, you can get different effects. While directional opacity is enabled, any brushstrokes you draw will disappear when turned away from the viewer. You can use this to create narrative experiences that can change based on the vantage point. Every brushstroke in Quill is its own piece of geometry. This means they all exist separately. They cannot be merged or combined or blended together. When erasing brushstrokes, the brushstrokes never really disappear. They just hide portions of the stroke. To get a brushstroke to be deleted completely, you either need to erase the entire stroke or highlight the stroke and press the A button on your right controller to delete the stroke. The strokes that were not entirely deleted can be brought back with the opacity slider in the Colorize menu.